In this series of videos, I'm going to be showing you some crypto trading tips. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a market order. If you're new to crypto or want to buy or sell Bitcoin or altcoins easily and quickly, you can place something called a market order. And I'll show you how to do this on 3 of the most popular trading platforms: Coinbase Pro, Blockchain Exchange, and Binance. However, the same terminology and process will also apply to other trading platforms. And I've previously created full tutorials of all of these that you can find on YouTube and also on my blog, everybithelps.co.uk. And I'll pop links in the summary to all 3 exchanges too. So if you're in a hurry and you want to buy or sell Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies easily at the market price or the current price, you can place a market order on an exchange. And the first platform I'll show you this on is Coinbase Pro, which was formerly known as GDAX. So once you're over on the exchange, the first thing you'll need to do is deposit funds to trade with. And once you've got some available funds in your wallet, you're all ready to trade. So just taking a look at the dashboard, the first thing we need to do is select our market. And from here, I'm going to be selecting Bitcoin to GBP because I'm going to be buying Bitcoin with British pounds. However, there are lots of different types of trading pairs available from the markets too. Then you either have your buy or your sell option. Underneath that, you have the 3 different types of orders that are available on Coinbase Pro. And they are market, limit, and stop orders. And obviously the options below will be the same regardless of the market or the pairings that you choose. And today we're going to be concentrating on the market orders. So with a market order, all you need to do is enter the amount that you'd like to buy or sell in your chosen currency. And in this example, I'm going to be purchasing £30 worth of Bitcoin. And then the market price is then taken from the last trade price or the current price, which is shown at the top here. And as you can see, I can now see some fees that are associated to my trade. And the amount of commission fees that you will pay on some exchanges will depend on whether you're considered a maker or a taker of the market. And this will all depend on trading volumes too. Now, these may seem like small amounts at first, but these fees can certainly add up. So when you place an order that gets filled at the market price, you are considered a taker of the market and you pay slightly higher fees than other types of orders, and this is due to the convenience. To pay lower fees on some exchanges, you can place something called a limit order so that you're considered a taker of the market. And I've produced a video on how to complete a limit or a stop limit order, which I'll pop into the summary below too. Now, Coinbase used to have different commission fees for maker or taker orders, regardless of the amount that you're trading with. But now you only really see the benefit when you're trading with 50,000 plus. Now back over to our order. When you're ready to place your order, you can simply click onto Place Buy Order. The order will then immediately fill and show in your completed orders. And as I said, the same process will apply to Blockchain.com's exchange and Binance. So just over on the Blockchain exchange, as you can see in the right-hand side here, you have your buy or your sell option. Then under your order type, you can select from market or limit order. So exactly the same terminology using that market order. And then all you would need to do is type in the amount that you would like to purchase and then simply click onto Place Order. Then over on the Binance exchange, if you scroll down under this exchange section here, you'll see that you have limit, market or stop limit orders. So if we select market, you can see here that it's going to take the market price. You then type in the amount that you'd like to purchase and then you would click onto Buy Bitcoin. Now, once your order has filled, you can then move your funds over to a secure wallet or a bank account. Again, to withdraw from an exchange, I've created a full tutorial for all the exchanges and I'll put links below for you guys to check out. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at www.everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.